te quiero amar, no me quiero ilusionar, pero quiero ir a buscarte.
Oh,
A joy walk? Yeah,
is this a two-way walk?
I don't know, wait, first we're gonna need a balloon and then
Red balloon and
an orange.
orange peel.
Yeah, an orange peel.
Okay, first
First
we're rolling up the balloon.
okay, I don't know how to do it.
It's okay?
Yep, it looks okay. I don't too much, or else it's going to bounce out air.
Oh my god.
Okay, good. Okay. This is an explosion test. It will explode. So,
See?
okay, see? Ooh, so.
Okay, show it up.
Yeah. Look how big a balloon. I don't know why he's doing balloons. Nah.
Okay. Oh, it's like a potato.
Yeah, no.
This is
Potato.
this yellow balloon look like a potato.
Sort of.
Okay, just now I feel
I'll take this one.
Okay, stay away from me. Don't touch me. I'm feeling orange.
It's just an explode. Look at this. Tasty orange.
Is this real?
Tasty oranges.
Hmm.
In the video, they're like squished orange. Orange.
Okay, finally we got orange meat.
Yep, it's the orange bit.
Hold it. Hold it. Yes. Yes. Hold it.
Okay, fine, I'll hold it down.
Hold it. Oh!
A joy walk! Yes!
Okay, this one. Oh! Oh! You will be like this video. We are experiment for testing the balloon with the orange. So what do you want to say?
That was so scary. Yeah. I had to hold